Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to make a socket weld joint in MecFlow Fusion. Please ensure you have the correct site-specific PPE such as gloves and eye protection. Also ensure that the socket welding machine you are using is set up correctly as per the instructions and that you have the heating and cooling timings to hand. Other equipment you may require is as shown on screen. First, turn on the socket weld machine and allow it to come up to temperature. It will be ready when the light is flashing. Best practice is to check the hot plate with a temperature probe before use. Cut the pipe square using a rotary cutter. It is important that the pipe is cut exactly square. Once the pipe has been cut square, use the chamfer tool on the pipe for easy insertion into the female heating iron. Clean all mating surfaces with isopropyl alcohol wipes. Set the pipe size selector to the required diameter. Engage the insertion lock and close the carriage fully till it meets the insertion lock. Take the fitting and set it into the jaws on the male iron side of the machine. Ensure that it is fitted up to the lip on the jaws and that it is level. Now, fit the pipe into the machine so that the beveled end is just touching the fitting and ensure all clamps are tightened. Disengage the insertion lock. Ensure the jaws are fully unwound to unlock the hot plate. Bring the hot plate into position and wind the carriage together in a smooth motion until the pipe and fitting are fully inserted into the irons. Hold in place to heat the surfaces for the time given in the manual. Open the carriage, remove the hot plate and smoothly insert the heated pipe into the heated fitting. Push till the machine reaches its stop. This must be done within the time specified in the timing table. Maintain pressure for the correct time, then clamp and allow to cool for the specified cooling time. The weld is then complete and the joint should have two equal and uniform weld beads around the circumference of the weld sitting one above the other.